Welcome to part 4 of the video series on problems on division of algebraic expressions. In this first division, you have 10x minus 25 and this has to be divided by 5. Now, we can solve it in two different ways. So basically what we have to do is we have to perform this division. Now, this you can write it as 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by 5, right? So now this 5 and this 5, the factor 5 in this term and the factor 5 in this term, these two are common, the same. So take 5 out and then you have 2x minus 5 divided by 5. Now this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled because these are common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So you are left with 2x minus 5. This is your answer. Another way can be, this is 10x minus 25. So we can write this as 10x divided by 5 minus 25 divided by 5, right? Because if you take the LCM, you'll get the same rational representation of this two algebraic expressions. Now here 10 divided by 5 will give you 2x and 25 divided by 5 will give you 5. So this is 2x minus 5. The two answers are the same whether they follow this path or this method. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So you have to perform this division, and now in this case if you write this as 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x minus 5 multiplied by 5, and this is 2x minus 5. Now this 5 and this 5, the factor 5 is common in these two terms. Taking out 5 within the bracket, you will have 2x minus 5. And which property have we used here? We have used the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, and this is 2x minus 5. Now 2x minus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 5 in the numerator, and in the denominator you have 2x minus 5. These two factors are common, the same. Therefore, you are left with only 5. So 5 is your answer in this case. This is 10y multiplied by 6y plus 21 and divided by 5 multiplied by 2y plus 7. So this is equal to 10, let's write it as 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by y, and this is multiplied by, write it as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by y plus 3 multiplied by 7, and from this you get 5 multiplied by 2y plus 7. Now this is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by y and multiplied by this 3 in this term, and the 3 in this term is common. So take this out, you get 3, and then multiplied by 2y plus 7, and in the denominator you have 5 multiplied by 2y plus 7. So this 2y plus 7 and this 2y plus 7 get cancelled because both are the same factors, and this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. So you have 2 multiplied by y multiplied by 3 means it is 6y. So this is your answer. In this case, this is 9x squared y squared multiplied by 3z minus 24 divided by this number. Now this can be written as This is 9 multiplied by x squared, or we can write this as 9 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. And here this can be written as 3z minus 3 multiplied by 8 divided by 27 can be written as 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z minus 8. Now this 3 and this 3, so factor 3 in this term and factor 3 in this term both are the same, therefore you can take it out. So this becomes 9 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y multiplied by 3 z minus 8, and then you have 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by z minus 8. Right, now z minus 8 and z minus 8, these two are the same, therefore they get cancelled. This 9 get cancelled because they are the same. This 3 get cancelled because they are the same. This x get cancelled because they are the same. This y get cancelled because they are the same. What we are left with, x multiplied by y, that is xy. So this is the answer of this division. And the last one, we have 96 multiplied by ABC multiplied by 3a minus 12 multiplied by 5b minus 30, and you have to divide by this. Okay, in this case you can write this as 96 divided by 144, let's group it together, then multiplied by ABC multiplied by, this is 3a minus 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 means 12 multiplied by 5b minus 5 multiplied by 6. And this becomes a minus 4 multiplied by b minus 6. From here, if you divide this 96 and 144 by 16, the numerator and the denominator by 16. So 96 divided by 16 will give you 6, and 144 divided by 16 will give you 9. So this is 6 by 9 multiplied by ABC, that is a multiplied by b multiplied by c, and then multiplied by, this 3 is common, so take this 3 out, and then you have a minus 4. Now this 5 and this 5 are common, so take that out, 5 b minus 6, and this is a minus 4 b minus 6. Now a minus 4 get cancelled, b minus 6 get cancelled, and this is 6 by 9. So if you divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3, you get 2 by 3 multiplied by, this is 3 multiplied by 5 means 15, and you have ABC, so 15 ABC. This is basically what, divided by 1. Now this is 3, this is 15, so 15 divided by 3 will give you what, 5, right? 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. So this is 10 ABC. This is your answer for this division.